Hi there, in this short guitar cover tutorial I'm going to run through Elvis Presley's I'm All Shook Up. Now, this is a really great song for beginners. It's only got 3 chords. They are A major, D major and E major. And this is also a really good song to practice your chord transitions. If you watch carefully how my fretting hand changes from the A major to the D major and back again, or from the D major to the E major, you'll notice that there is always at least one finger anchored onto the fretboard. And if you want to know more about those transitions, then check out the link in the description to a playlist of videos that will show you how to make your chord transitions a lot smoother. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends say I'm acting wild as a bug. I'm in love, I'm all shook up, ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, my hands are shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Who do you think of when you have such luck? I'm in love, I'm all shook up, ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I'm feeling fine. When I meet a girl that I love best, my heart beats so it scares me to death. And she touched my hand, what a chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all shook up, ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, my tongue gets tied when I try to speak. My insides are shaking like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine, and that's to have that girl in love so fine. She touched my hand, what a chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all shook up, ooh.